Once upon a time, in the quaint town of Greenhaven, there existed a remarkable educational initiative known as the Environmental Education Program. This program was specifically designed to teach children about the importance of environmental conservation, and nurture them into becoming future stewards of the planet. Let me share with you the story of how this extraordinary program came into existence. In Greenhaven, the townspeople had always cherished their beautiful surroundings, a lush forest, sparkling rivers, and vibrant wildlife. They believed that it was their responsibility to protect and preserve the natural wonders that surrounded them. However, they worried that future generations might not appreciate the environment as much as they did. Driven by their concern, the townspeople decided to create a program that would educate children about the environment from a young age. They enlisted the help of passionate educators, scientists, and environmentalists to develop an engaging and comprehensive curriculum. The Environmental Education Program was designed to immerse children in hands-on experiences that would ignite their curiosity and inspire them to become advocates for the planet. The program included a wide range of activities, from nature walks and wildlife observations to interactive experiments and community projects. One sunny morning, the program's inaugural session began at the Greenhaven Community Center. Children from all walks of life gathered with excitement, eager to embark on their environmental journey. They were greeted by their enthusiastic instructors, who were ready to guide them through this transformative learning experience. The first lesson took place in the heart of the forest, where the children discovered the hidden wonders of nature. They marveled at the intricate webs spun by spiders, learned about the importance of bees as pollinators, and witnessed the delicate balance of the ecosystem. As the days turned into weeks, the children's understanding of environmental conservation deepened. They learned about renewable energy, waste management, and the harmful effects of pollution. Through interactive games, they discovered how small changes in their daily lives could make a big difference in protecting the planet. But it wasn't just theoretical knowledge that the children gained. The program encouraged them to take action and contribute to their community's sustainability. They formed teams to clean up the town's parks, planted trees in barren areas, and even started a recycling campaign at their schools. As the months passed, the Environmental Education Program became the talk of the town. The children's enthusiasm and newfound knowledge inspired their families, friends, and neighbors. Greenhaven began to transform into a hub of environmental awareness and sustainability. One day, the news of the program's success reached the neighboring towns. They were impressed by Greenhaven's commitment to educating their children about environmental conservation. Inspired by this example, they decided to implement similar initiatives in their own communities. The ripple effect of the Environmental Education Program spread far and wide. Children from all corners of the region started to appreciate the natural world and understand their role in protecting it. The program's impact extended beyond the children, as families and communities came together to create a brighter, greener future. Years passed, and the children who had once participated in the Environmental Education Program grew up to become passionate environmentalists, scientists, and advocates. Their collective efforts led to significant positive changes in their region, and even influenced environmental policies at a national level. And so, the story of the Environmental Education Program continues to inspire generations, reminding them of the power of knowledge, action, and the impact individuals can make in preserving the planet for future generations.